And the rest strokes like lead and the plane, ang plane, yung awaton nga plane, ini talaga nga plane yung awaton. Okay, as a race of the plane, yun ang awaton. Ang kaning book, it can draw like this. Pagkaligason. So, number 6. Pwede mo yung number 6. Ano siya? Tesla. Tesla na tayo ngayon. Alright. These are the measurement. Ano? Circle. First is 4. Second is 3.4. Ang third, kining third, ah, 3.4. Third circle is 1, 2, 3. Yeah, third circle is 3.1. Followed by the fourth circle, 2.6. After 2.6, we have 2. The inner circle guide is 1.8. Ang iyang ulo sa tao, 2.89 by 2.89. Dayon, ang iyang arm, we have 2 arms here. Ang iyang angle is 30 and negative 30 degrees. And this direction side, 30. Other side is control D, negative 30. Ang iyang opening sa iyang arm. Wala siya 30 and negative 30. Of course, this is 90. So, important measurement. Then for the plate number 7, okay, what is plate number 7? Same ang strokes sa 5, pero ang iyang number of sides sa polygon is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 12 sides polygon. So, pinakauna na itong circle is this. 4. Tapos 3.6. Followed by 3.4. Followed by 2.7. So, para ang circle guide, circle guide ini kita pilih cara jelas. Tangent siya. Starter is 2.048, then the E is 1.158 by 2.128. And of course, kung pwede maawat ninyo ni nga plane, much better. The variation of the color, ano nyo, ha? Finish ka, gagamit niyo siya ang ano ha, transparency tool. Interactive transparency tool because front card, magamot-gamot na ka-light. Kung magamit ang interactive transparency tool. Then the outer color is darker and duplicate para sa inner na color, duplicate again until satisfied na abot siya of white. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 variation of color. Sorry, coloring. Then the lead, kamanay, start and lead.